The Hover Air Aqua is a waterproof drone engineered specifically for open water environments like lakes, docks, and shorelines, places where standard drones risk an instant game over. Weighing in at under 249 grams to remain travel-friendly without regulatory paperwork, this device features a bright, high-visibility rescue orange ring designed for easy spotting against sun glare and waves. A small integrated status screen underneath the badge allows for quick pre-flight checks, completely eliminating the need for constant smartphone fiddling. The body is built around 15 distinct waterproofing adaptations, including sealed seams, port drains, and specialized coatings, ensuring the platform expects to get splashed and keep working. The hardware layout features wider propeller blades specifically tuned to handle water takeoffs by punching through surface drag, enabling smooth liftoffs right from choppy water or wet docks. Performance-wise, the drone is equipped with a flagship Class 1, over 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 100 frames per second. This high frame rate provides cinematic breathing room for crisp daylight footage and crisp slow-motion splashes. Perfect for reels, shorts, and action cutdowns without the need for a bulky cinema camera rig. Flight stability is backed by level 7 wind resistance and a 55 km/h top speed, allowing the drone to maintain smooth tracking even when coastal breezes get feisty. The included companion beacon serves as an insurance policy, ensuring reliable tracking and recovery when glare and drift complicate the shot. The workflow is entirely built around stress-free water shooting. Launch from a dock, track a paddleboarder, capture high-speed wake footage, and recover the device safely without a stressful landing sprint. Ultimately, for creators capturing travel vlogs, fishing trips, jet ski footage, or marina real estate, the combination of under 249-gram convenience, 4K high FPS video, and a rugged spray-resistant chassis makes this a powerful tool. While it lacks full obstacle avoidance and enterprise-grade mapping, it stands as an incredibly exciting option for flying near water without fear. Feel free to drop thoughts on this water-ready mini drone in the comments below, and subscribe for upcoming videos covering specialized accessories and waterflight tips.